Hi everybody, it's Misty and Kim.
And we're doing FabFitFun today. I'm so excited. We didn't get our boxes on the same day, so we decided we had to wait.
And we've been it's been sitting back here for at least like 3 days just taunting us.
Yeah, we've been super busy, and I got my box first. I don't know why, you always get your box first, but I think they like me better now.
Well, I think, look, mine's pink.
Mine's real pink.
Yours is not pink.
Yeah,
it's
but the
blue.
pink is pinker than your pink.
Oh.
Like
Mine's a girl and yours is a boy.
That's a girl.
Oh yeah, she has a bun.
It's the same
girl. Okay, whatever. I don't have my glasses on.
Right.
Okay, so this is the winter box.
Oh, I got mine upside.
I always have mine upside down.
Oh, well, isn't that cute little village?
Okay, here we go.
All right. I'm going to open mine from the side. Magazine. The same.
Maria Shriver.
Oh, I like her.
I haven't heard of her in forever. She looks great. She looks great.
And they're still doing these HelloFresh coupons. They must be hurting.
One of these days, I'm just gonna take.
I'm not gonna
advantage
do
of it.
that.
Well, this is about the only way I'm gonna ever like grocery shop and cook.
No, it's not.
Okay.
All right. All kinds of good stuff.
What is that? I got something really. I didn't customize my box at all. Did you?
Kinda.
I didn't.
What did you get? Pull that out. I want to see it.
I put my glasses on like I need it. It says unhide for love, not fur.
Oh, it's like a blanket.
Fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh faux. Feel how heavy that is.
Oh, wow.
Oh, I just want to open it and wrap up right now. Let's see.
Open it.
I don't know what it is. Like it's a throw.
Oh, that is so soft. That's like that coat I just got.
Oh, the one I can't get because I had the FOMO. Okay, hang on. It's so slippery. Christmas done come to me, Mies.
You're gonna love that. I wish I would have got one.
Well, you shouldn't. Did you customize? Because if you did.
Yeah, I kind of did. Did you say you wanted a surprise thing, or did you?
He got away from me.
Okay.
I can't figure this out. I'm coming back. Oh yeah.
You know that, like, back in the 50s when they had those little wraps that they put around, I mean, like the fake fur wraps, they're supposed to be like mink or chinchilla or something.
I'm just going to wear this the rest of the day.
You're going to burn up. Okay, can I open something?
I guess. I'm done.
Okay.
I
I
don't know
got
how much I love blankets.
a makeup eraser, the original.
Oh, I've got one of those.
I took one to my niece, and it's amazing. You don't have to use makeup remover or anything. You just literally wash your face.
Does she like it?
Oh, she loves it. She loves it.
They say that they actually... Did I get one of those? I did. They say that it even does your eye makeup.
Yeah.
This says it lasts 3 to 5 years.
Yeah, I mean, I don't even know how that works.
It's the #1 sustainable makeup remover in the world.
It's antibacterial, reusable, great since it saves money.
This says each fiber is 10 to 50 times thinner than a human hair.
Wow.
Well, I'm going to have to try this tonight.
Okay, what do you got next?
Okay, a Bluetooth shower speaker.
Well, I didn't get that.
I didn't even know they made such stuff. Look at how floral it is.
Isn't that cute?
And pink. And it has a suction cup.
Will you use that?
No. But you know what? I can give this as a good stocking stuffer.
Yeah, I mean, I can't believe you wouldn't use that.
I don't. When I get in the shower, I want to get in and out as fast as I can.
But like, you take baths.
Oh, I do take baths.
Wouldn't you use that? Put some nice music on with your bath?
Yeah, but I can do that already. I don't need a speaker. I got a phone in there.
Whatever.
I dropped something.
Okay. These are Ahava Dead Sea Salt Natural Dead Bath Salts. I love this company.
I love Ahava.
All of their stuff is wonderful.
You know they have that new facial serum.
No.
It has like the best ratings ever. I'm going to order some.
Softens your skin. Oh, cool.
We both got these.
Okay, what are these?
Thirsty. Oh, I just bought hand masks this morning.
Ooh, I can put this on the plane.
Put your palms in the air if you have tired, dry hands. Yeah, because you put it on 15 to 20 minutes, then you remove them, and then you just keep the excess on you. I'm doing that tonight because my hands are like sandpaper.
Mine are too.
You got the pudding one?
The pudding.
I don't have any. Okay, I don't have any of this stuff.
That's because you got big stuff. I got little stuff.
Tell us what that is.
Oh, this is Kate Somerville Goat Milk Condition and Restore Moisturizing Cream. I love Kate Somerville.
I do too.
She's great stuff.
The thing of it is, I've liked everything I've ever got in a box. What in the world? Oh, a brush cleaner. Did you get this?
No, I didn't get that.
It's for your makeup brushes.
Oh,
God, makeup
you know
brush
what?
against the
Marsha
color
just
switch.
got me with something kind of like that. That you just use. It's not exactly like that. It's the best thing in the
Yeah,
ever.
it says it's dry. You do it dry. You don't even wet them. I need that. And then when it's dirty, you just wash with soap
and no
water.
chemicals. You don't have to use like the makeup chemical thing.
That's cool.
All right, I got a necklace.
Oh, that reminds me. Remember that time we got the necklaces in here? And I'm like, I'm never going to wear that necklace. I wear this all the time.
Yeah, you do wear
This is
that all
from
the
my
time.
very first FabFitFun
This is rose gold.
box. That's cute.
It's got a diamond in it.
Diamond. Diamante.
Okay, what else? Did you show everything you got?
Oh, no.
What's in?
I have some proof is in the pudding. It's an eyeshadow palette, which all my favorite eyeshadows have came from here. I love.
I love a new eyeshadow palette.
But it's worrying me that it says it's pudding, and it makes me want to eat. It's got banana pudding.
Well, it makes me think of the eyeshadow's gonna be yellow.
Yeah, me too. Oh,
Oh, it's pretty.
that is pretty.
You'll use that.
I will use that all the time. Those are just right up my alley.
Yeah.
Love it. I don't know what brand this is. Cashmere Beauty Bakery.
Lashes MD eyelash conditioner. I love me some eyelash conditioner. Get the look you always wanted.
I wonder if that's not any like connected to Grande. No, that's
No, and it's I don't know. From
Follicule.
Follicle Labs, New Jersey.
We both got this the same.
What is that?
Oh, it's from Dry Bar.
Prime and Prep Detangler.
Yeah.
I wonder how's that different than a leave-in conditioner.
I don't know.
I don't know. I'll use it.
It's
I'll
got
use
heat
it.
protectant up to 450 degrees.
Well, I need that.
Mist generously on damp hair and brush through before blow drying. Or it says to spray onto dry bangs and fringe and re-blow to freshen up your look.
Oh, I needed that the other day. Remember my bangs were all jacked up?
Your bangs were jacked up that day. I don't know what you did to them.
All right, I got Pure Neurotica. That sounds like erotica.
Yeah, it does.
Melt.
Why do you always get that kind of stuff?
I don't know. Nourishing balm to oil.
Oh.
Squeeze out balm, massage into skin, use as an overnight facial mask or throughout the day where needed. We suggest around eyes, on lips, and on dry patches.
You'll need that too when you're flying. All that high altitude dries out your skin.
It does. What else you got?
I have this. Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. Soft Focus Glow Drops. I don't know what to do with it, but I don't know why I'm excited.
I think it's like that Becca stuff that I use.
Rodial. I feel like such a hick sometimes when I'm doing this because...
Did
We're
you say
saying we're-
rodeo?
I said Rodial. R-O-D-I-A-L. Rodial.
Yeah, I don't know. And then they had to put a box in mine to fill because my box wasn't filled
Because
up.
I got the animal. Do you want to feel this again?
It's nice. All right, this was fun. I'm going to use all my
fun.
stuff.
I love these.
This is fun.
It is fun.
So, if you don't have a subscription to FabFitFun, you should get one.
You
And we
should.
don't get paid. We don't get anything. We just like to open our boxes in front of the camera. So, but you should get. It's super fun to get these boxes in the mail
Yeah.
and then open them. So
together. And envy each other what they got. I know you're eyeing this Bluetooth speaker over here.
Yeah, because I would think I would use that.
It would take me longer to figure out how to turn it on and play music
Now, once you do it, I mean, if
when
you
I'm
can
in the
listen,
shower now.
it's probably just an app you download and you
Another app.
punch it in on your phone.
Just punch it in.
Just punch it in.
It's cute though.
Yeah,
It really
it's
is.
cute. All right, thanks for watching.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Fluffy fur.